Hi. If you are seeing this message, you might have questions or concerns about the level of freedom we permit regarding public psionic catalyst usage, public displays of affection, and nudity upon the island. Not to worry. The ideal place for those not interested in such delights or who have been licensed to raise children are permitted to live and work in the designated red zones which firmly prohibit any such conduct. These are personally maintained by security teams, each under the guidance of super soldiers. We also ensure regular training in martial arts and weapon usage as part of their education quota, so self-defense against the enemies of freedom is guaranteed. Lastly, we ensure our youth are garbed safely in robes composed of the same materials as our hazardous environment utility cloaks to protect them from unexpected natural phenomena. Here on the Isle of Nuwekrag, we believe our people, especially the young, are our most valuable resource. Thank you.